Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make your mint healthy again. During winters, mint plant goes into dormancy and their top part will die off, but their roots will survive and will regrow the following spring. To make your mint healthy again, just trim the top part of the plants. This will help to encourage new healthy growth and will keep the leaves nice and full around the sides of the plant. Soon, from every single stem, new multiple stems will grow. Remove all the dead and dying stem to allow more airflow and light penetration. After trimming the plants, add some organic compost. You can use vermicompost, decomposed cow dung, horse manure and other organic stuff. Make sure you do not use any chemical fertilizers in it. Water in thoroughly. Mint needs lots of water, so make sure that it gets adequate water, but do not overwater it. Keep the pot in full sunlight and add water daily in the morning or when top layer of soil feels dry to touch. Only harvest the top part of the stem to encourage multiple stems or bushy growth. Make a cut just above the leaf node. And after few days, multiple stems will grow from the node area.